A mechanical watch is the most complex thing you'll ever own. It all starts with the mainspring, the power source of the movement, a torsion spring that releases energy by unwinding. The mainspring is wound either manually by turning the crown on the side of the case for manual watches, or automatically when wound by a rotor rotating through the natural movement of the wrist. The energy from the mainspring flows through a series of gears, called the gear train, the last of which is called the fourth. Remember this one, it is the important one. The fourth wheel turns the escape wheel, an additional funny-looking gear. But here is where the gears stop. We get the pallet fork, an odd wishbone-looking piece that stops the whole watch from turning freely. The pallet fork hitting the gears of the escape wheel is what generates the ticking noise of a watch. These two components form together the escapement. On the other side, the pallet fork interacts with the balance wheel, which is another torsion spring that unwinds and winds itself, thanks to the pallet fork, continuously producing precisely 28,800 beats per hour, 8 beats per second. This makes the fourth wheel mentioned before rotate once a minute. I'm sure you see where this is going. A dial train is added on the fourth wheel to take care of the minutes and hours. These components poke through the dial and rotate the hands and show us the time. The whole movement is hosted within the main plate and held in places by different bridges. The smooth and frictionless running of the watch is ensured through the use of a special oil and synthetic rubies referred to as jewels. So when you look at a watch and it says 27 jewels, this is what they're referring to. So this is how a watch ticks. Follow to learn.